You see how like when I blend it, it like picks up and it creases really, really bad on my eyes. Do you guys see that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be reviewing E.L.F makeup, and I don't know, do you guys like my makeup? Okay, so let's start this E.L.F review. So I didn't buy everything to recreate a full face just because I didn't want to buy products that I knew I either wasn't gonna like or I actually didn't need. But I didn't buy any eyeshadow just in the sense that I have so many of them already that I didn't want to go in and purchase another one and then just, you know, it's just gonna end up in my collection not being used. But I did get this E.L.F ultra precise brow pencil. I believe this retailed for $5. This is what it looks like. So the packaging isn't like, you know, all fancy and stuff like this one, but you know, for $5 I really don't mind it. It's not round, it's more flat, and then it does come with a little spoolie on the back. Let's try it and see how that how it performs. Okay, so the little brush head is really good. Like, I feel like it actually is like pulling and brushing my hair, because I feel like sometimes there's like just brushes that don't brush. It's like, how are you gonna have a brush that doesn't brush? So this is cool brown, and this is what it looks like. It does kind of like, you do need to kind of like build up the color. It's not as creamy as the Benefit Precisely My Brows. You can definitely build up the color. Okay, so yeah, I definitely do like the eyebrow pencil. Okay, the next product I'm gonna be trying, and I actually been wanting to try this because a lot of people have said that it is kind of like a dupe for Tasha, and Tasha is really expensive. So they have their canvas primer, and the E.L.F is supposed to be a dupe for it. I got the poreless putty primer universal, so I'm actually really excited to try this. I really want to love this, and I've heard a lot of people like it. This is what it looks like. It's actually pretty big. This retails for $8, so it's not that bad. For E.L.F, I always thought E.L.F was a lot cheaper, but for $8 for a primer, it has a lot. Like, literally it has a lot. Like, this would probably last me, if I only had one primer, I said a good year. How do I try this? Do I just like stick my finger in there? Do I just like go in here and dig it out? Yeah. Dude, that feels kind of cool. It feels very creamy. And it melts right on your skin. Like, it's not thick at all. Like, it's thick, but it's not hard to mix. It like literally just melts right onto your skin. I don't think it's really like covering up my pores per se. As you can tell, there's like some shine going on. It feels a little greasy. Not super greasy like when you apply oil onto your face, but it does kind of feel a little greasy. So I don't know how that's gonna work for somebody that has oily skin. Okay, so like I said, you guys, I did not get any eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna be using this blush kit that I got as eyeshadow, and this palette was $8, so it's not that bad. So it's like $2 each one. And then I did also get this like liquid eyeshadow. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna go in and use this 16-hour camo concealer. So first, let's start with the concealer, and this is just gonna be to like prep my eyes, so it's not necessarily gonna be like a full review for the concealer right now. Damn, that's like hella white. That's what I hate about drugstore makeup, is that you can't open the product. At least in the store, it looked like it kind of matched. Okay, this one feels way too matte. I don't like it, and it's a little bit harder to blend. So instead of using concealer on my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with the foundation. I did get this E.L.F foundation. This is Flawless Finish foundation in the shade Vanilla. So it's supposed to be a light with golden undertone, so that's why I got it. It doesn't look, when you know, when somebody says vanilla, you think like white. This one does look maybe a little bit like my skin tone. That's kind of how like I did it at the stores. How do you open this? Oh, you pull it. Okay, so it's a pump. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty small. Okay, this might be a little bit white on me. Okay, let's apply that. You see how like when I blend it, it like picks up. Okay, so the foundation, I'm not a big fan. I'm definitely gonna need more than whatever pumps I did. Yeah, this was a little bit too white, but in the bottle it kind of looks like it could be my shade, you know? It's like I have to use so much product on my face just to get it to like spread, and it creases really bad on my eyes. It looks kind of cakey already. That's what I don't like. And then obviously my face right now looks really white because it's not the color. So that's what sucks again about like drugstore makeup. Okay, the next product is this Halo setting powder. I hope it doesn't have shimmer because okay, kind of look. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look super shimmery, but it is supposed to give you like a glow, so I'm assuming it's not matte. Oh wait, oh my god, I almost forgot. We need to use the concealer. We're gonna go back in with this concealer again. This is a matte finish. I feel like this concealer is also way too light. I think I don't like the matte finish because I feel like it's a little bit harder to blend. But damn, it has really good full coverage though. It's like hella white. You guys can see. The only thing is I am kind of having some trouble on my nose where it's starting to kind of like cake up. It's starting to look really bad. I wonder if it's because of the foundation. It's starting to look really bad under here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in really fast and just set my face because I don't want it to get any worse. I don't like it. You know who I look like? Flashback Mary. Hi sisters! It's definitely like caking up underneath my eye and like around here. Like it looks really bad. I'm gonna go in with this orangey blush and I'm gonna use that all over my lids. Do you guys see that? This literally sucks. I hate it. Okay guys, I am back and I am kind of contouring or baking right in here just to kind of like help fix that weird thing that was going on with the blush eyeshadow thing. And I went in and I added some bronzer. I just used my Tarte's Pro Glow. I feel like the foundation itself was kind of like ruined this look. The concealer full coverage matte, I don't like it. I feel like it just makes my skin look extra cakey under here. It's just, I don't like it. But I do like their hydrating one. That one I definitely do recommend. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeshadow from E.L.F. Obviously, because this is so tiny. I did not expect it to look this tiny. I thought it was that big. This is the box. I literally thought it was going to be like from here to here. And like it's like this tiny little thing. And just mind that, you know, this white part is technically just the lid, and this was $5, so I mean, you know, I feel like it's a little chunky. I feel like the glitter's a little too chunky and it definitely does pick up my eyeshadow. Definitely do not blend it with your finger. I definitely have to work with this a little bit more just so I can kind of get a little bit more experience, but like I said, I don't hate it. Yeah, it definitely does pick up your eyeshadow. So okay, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and apply a second layer on my eyes since I kind of like already blended it out a bit, so there's no harsh lines. I feel like this should probably be a lot better. Okay, I feel like a second layer has definitely helped. I finished my eyes. I added a little bit of lashes, so now I'm just gonna go in with some blush. Kind of want to use like a mixture of this one and this one. Pigmented for sure, that's good. It's definitely very pigmented, and I feel like I have glitter all over my face from the eyeshadow. Okay, this is my makeup. The blush was very pigmented. Like I tried blending it out, it just will not. It's just a little too much. I don't know if you guys can see everything, so here's a close-up. My face looks cakey. I have laugh lines. It's like creasing underneath my eyes. It's also creasing. I feel like what I for sure think maybe messed everything up was the concealer and the foundation. Let's just hope that E.L.F's spray mist and set will like help. So this is what it looks like. And like from here, like when I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, okay, like it doesn't look super bad. Like, you know, obviously the concealer is a little too much, and then I get this close and I'm like, Jesus Christ, the lines, the cake, like seriously, it's bad. Okay, well, let's see if this works. Definitely gives it like a bit of a glow. It took away kind of like the dustiness away, obviously, because it's like a setting spray, but I feel like I probably would like the setting spray. I would definitely want to keep trying that. Oh my god, this eyelash. My face still looks really bad, you guys. I'm gonna try the last product, which is the E.L.F. clear gloss. I mean, you can't really go wrong with a clear gloss. Okay, it's not sticky, so that's good. The gloss is a win, you guys. Okay, so let's see. Things that I hate that I'm probably gonna go back and return is for sure this foundation. I don't like it. It's not my shade. I just don't like it. The application is bad. It made my face look cakey. The eyeshadow, oh, what is this? The concealer, I also didn't like it. I thought it was way too thick. It doesn't look good underneath my eyes because I do have a lot of like lines and creases, so it just makes it look bad, and it just looked really cakey. The setting spray, I will definitely keep trying that to see if, you know, maybe in the future, you know, with different foundations and different products, if, you know, if it's still pretty good. Right now I can't say I love it, I can't say I hate it. The Halo Glow powder, I feel like kind of helped with the setting spray, so I'll definitely keep trying this. So this one's for sure a maybe. These two are maybes as well. The gloss and the eyebrow pencil, those are a yes. So that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.